My name is Gary, and a patient of Dr. Palani, and I've had upper and lower implants.
Gary was initially very shy, and whenever he smiled, he tried to maneuver his lips, or he'd use his hand to hide his teeth because he was just embarrassed.
Before any work was done at Dr. Palani's office, I had serious problems. My diet was horrible because of my teeth. I couldn't have anything that was too hard, sometimes too soft. I was constantly, which I noticed, becoming ill. I'm an asthmatic, but I was having asthma attacks. I was having colds, the flu, and it was just becoming unbearable. My problems with my dental hygiene, my teeth, were from neglect. I didn't particularly care for dentists at the time. I played football in high school and college, and I would get a tooth knocked out and I would just forget about it. I would just go. And as a result, over a period of time, my teeth were becoming rotten. Teeth would fall out, teeth would crack, and it was just not a good situation. Until one day, I just called, and the staff here was so helpful, and they made me feel so at ease. And I came in, I met Dr. Palani, his staff, and I felt very, very at ease.
Here at our office, we see a lot of patients like Gary who they're embarrassed. There's, some fear, there's anxiety, there's embarrassment, but, we're not here to judge any of those things. We're here to provide a solution and to transform people's lives. We performed an upper and lower all-on-4 procedure for Gary.
Just to have the uppers and lower, all my teeth removed, and then to get the implants and go from there. Now that I have all my finals in my mouth, my life kind of like changed. It sounds like a cliche, but everything changed. Dr. Palani, he just worked magic. He just worked magic. And the people around me, stores, the markets, people have to take a double take to make sure it's me. And it's all because of my smile, I never used to smile. I never used to smile. I would always put my hand in front of my mouth because I was so ashamed of my teeth. And it took having Mexican food break off a couple of my teeth to do what was necessary. And I should have done it long ago.
So now Gary walks in and he's got the biggest smile and he's talking to everyone in here in the office and just showing off his teeth, and we're super happy about how everything turned out for Gary.